Hi everyone, in front of me I've got myPhone N23 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, in my case 34 minutes, and most of this time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. You've got two different ways to check some further details. You can either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, thanks to which you can compare the screen time in particular days of the week. You can tap on the specific day, check how much time you've spent on the screen and the specific time you've spent on the apps. So for example, 35 minutes on the settings in my case, on Wednesday and on Thursday 23 minutes. What is more, you can tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings camera phone, and then you will be transferred to the dashboard again, but this time it is only tightly connected with this one app. What is more, if you will decide that you are spending too much time on the screen, you can set one of those modes, for example focus mode. You can mark some distracting apps, set a schedule, so choose particular days of the week and the time, and then after setting the schedule, your device will simply hide the notifications from those apps during this particular time, so you'll have a chance to focus on different tasks or simply wait or simply rest. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.